Hi! Welcome to my channel! In this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag Super Soldier Pose. Ibi-breakdown ko step by step kung paano gawin mismo yung Super Soldier Pose. And watch until the end para mas magets mo agad yung Super Soldier Pose kasi may mga preparatory poses para mas maging madali sa'yo yung Super Soldier Pose. So, Super Soldier Pose is a new, fun, challenging, playful pose, but it can be confusing. So, here's the breakdown. First, mag-forward fold ka muna. Then, i-hook mo yung right arm mo sa likod ng right knee mo. Then, extend mo yung left arm mo sa side. Then, itaas mo yung left leg na nakabend. Then, i-grab mo yung left foot mo with your right hand. Then, lift your left knee up as high as you can. Now, try mo muna i-memorize yung 6 steps na yun and do it on your own. Mas maganda din pala na videohan mo yung sarili mo habang ginagawa mo tong pose na to so you can see if you're doing the right thing. And mas maganda kung nagets mo na yung isang side, practice mo naman yung kabilang side. May mga times na ma-out of balance ka, so be careful. Just pick yourself up again. Sasabihin ko sa'yo mamaya ako yung mga preparatory poses para mag-improve yung balance mo. Therefore, mas magiging madali na sa'yo yung Super Soldier Pose. May mga times din na hindi ko ma-lift yung tuhod ko as high as I can, pero practice makes progress. So, sa mga times na yun, I just keep on practicing. Then, kung nahihirapan ka pa rin na gawin yung Super Soldier Pose, ito na yung mga preparatory poses na sinasabi ko kanina. So, the first pose that you can do is the forward fold. So, from a standing position, you just bend forward with your hands touching the floor. And hindi naman kailangan na super lapit nung upper body mo sa lower body mo. Kung ano lang yung kaya mo, yun lang yung gawin mo. Huwag mong i-force yung body mo. Over time, with repetition, magi-improve din yung forward fold mo. And the great thing about forward fold is that nasa-stretch na yung back muscles, no? Which is important para magawa mo yung Super Soldier Pose. Kasi as you can see sa Super Soldier Pose, nai-stretch na yung back muscles mo. Nai-increase din ito yung circulation mo. With this pose, you also get used to being upside down. So kung hindi ka pa sanay sa mga inversion poses, maganda tong beginner pose. Mafe-feel mo na lahat ng blood na pupunta sa ulo mo and your face will get reddish. Normal lang yon. So since paunti-unti ka nang nasasanay on being upside down, yung Super Soldier Pose, it wouldn't be too hard for you anymore. The next pose that you can do is the wall standing split. So, sa pose na to, kailangan mo lang ng wall. So, from a standing position, magpo-forward fold lang tayo ulit. But then this time, ililift natin from behind yung one leg natin. So, let's do it. So, forward fold lang tayo ulit. And then this time, lift natin yung isang leg. Then, try mong lumapit sa wall. Hindi naman totally kailangan na marunong ka mag-splits to do this pose, pero kung marunong ka kasi mag-splits, ibig sabihin open na yung hamstrings mo, mas flexible na yung legs mo, so Super Soldier Pose would be easier for you. I have a video kung paano mag-splits, so ililink ko na lang siya somewhere up there and also sa description below. Also with this pose, you also get used to being upside down, so maganda rin siyang inversion in preparation for Super Soldier Pose. If you're liking this content so far, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now, back to the video. The next pose that you can do is the sugarcane pose. From a standing position, ipa-place lang natin isang kamay natin sa floor or sa mat. And then lift yung isang leg natin pataas. And that's it. Then, kung hindi ka pa sanay sa pose na yun, you can always use a chair. So, it's like this. With sugarcane pose, na stretch na yung side ng body natin, which is also important para sa Super Soldier Pose. Same with super soldier pose, na-improve niya yung balance natin kasi you're standing with one leg and one hand. And maganda rin yun kasi na-introduce niya yung ibang parts ng body natin into a new function. And na-open din niya yung shoulders mo, which is great. The next pose that you can do is the compass pose. Minsan ang tawag nila sa super soldier pose ay inverted compass pose. So maganda yung compass pose para maging preparatory pose para magawa mo yung super soldier pose. So here's how to do it. From a sitting position like this, labas mo lang yung isang leg mo like this one. And then, i-hook mo yung left arm mo sa left leg mo. And then, gawin mo sa right hand mo, grab mo yung left foot mo, and do it like this. Now, sa mga beginners, alam ko medyo struggle talaga i-straighten yung leg natin sa compass pose. You can always watch yung splits video na minention ko kanina para ma-open up yung hamstrings natin. So, nakakatulong tong compass pose sa super soldier pose kasi napapractice na yung pag-hook ng arm mo sa back nung tuhod mo. So, mas madali mo magagawa yung super soldier pose. I suggest na ulit-ulitin mo tong video na to so you can learn how to do the super soldier pose faster. If you want to learn more fun yoga poses like this, then click mo tong playlist na to next. See you sa next video ko. Bye!